Hey, if you sell on eBay, you're going to want to stick around for this one. It's all about Terapeak and all the advanced features. I do appreciate that. This is your review channel, and let's get into the video right now. So you sell on eBay, and you want to be able to do more research. Well, eBay acquired a company called Terapeak. So Terapeak was basically a standalone website that kept track of eBay sales of the last year, and basically eBay acquired them and actually used and built them into their Seller Hub. So this is where we're at right now. We're in Seller Hub, and we're going to get into a little bit more depth on this program. Okay, so Terapeak, we're going to get a little bit more in depth. We're going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you how to use the advanced features, and we're just going to get into the whole project on how to use Terapeak. I think you're going to like it. I think you're going to really appreciate this video, because you know what? If you sell on eBay and you want to try to find some products to sell and make some money on and try to get a really good snapshot of how things are going, I think this is a really good tool. I think you'll really, if you sell on eBay at all, it's really a very valuable tool. So let's get into this video. And so basically when you get into your Seller Hub, okay, you want to get into Sell, and then you go to Research, and you'll see Terapeak, and then this is where you do your research. Okay, then you want to type in any keyword here, any kind of word or any kind of item that you're looking for. So let's give an example. So say you want to sell some Levi jeans that you have. Okay, so let's just put in Levi jeans. Levi jeans, and let's just make it easy. Make them a 30 by a 30, and they are blue. Okay, oops, sorry, let's fix that. So they are blue. So you have Levi jeans 30 by 30, so 30 waist, 30 inch long, and blue. So then you can do a drop down here. So you can do 7 days, 30 days, 9 days, or a year. So you can give a year is a little bit too long for Levi jeans. If something that's really specific, that's like hard to find, or something that's unique and old and different, then I would suggest using the 365 or the year look. And I found many things that eBay doesn't hold, because eBay only holds items for 90 days, where Terapeak holds everything for the year. So this will really help you out when you're doing your research. But let's just do 7 days, okay? And I'm going to get into this a little bit more in depth. And I also have another video as well on. I'll put a link above. On your left, you'll see that. Also, another example on how to use Terapeak, a little bit basic tutorial, and how to just get into starting using it. This is a little bit more in depth, so we're going to get a little bit more deep, dig down deep within this program and really how to use it. Okay, so we have Levi jeans. You have a pair of Levi jeans you picked up, okay? I don't care where you bought it. I don't care if you got it at a thrift store. I don't care if you got it at a regular store. I don't care if it was in your closet. It doesn't matter. You really want to know what they're worth, what they sold for. So now you hit research, okay? So let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. And you'll see eBay. So 36 sales in the last 7 days. Okay, the average price was $20.58. Range $7.50 to $72.41. The average shipping, people are charging shipping. Not everything always has to be free. You don't always have to give away the whole farm. You can definitely charge for shipping today. 19% of the orders here gave free shipping. Okay, and the 1.27 is the sell-through rate. 32 total different sellers. So let's look at that. Let's examine this. Okay, so here's a bunch of okay, so I didn't say men's or women, so it pulled up women's, it pulled up men's. Let's just make it a little bit more detailed. Let's put men's in. Let's really just hone in. So you have a pair of men's jeans, you're a man, you have some men's jeans, you want to sell it. Let's get really into the nitty gritty of this and take a look at it. Okay, now we're down to 26. Again, $20 average price, right? Here's the same kind of layout. Shipping, 19%. Off the free shipping, 26 total, okay? And you got 23 separate sellers. So let's look at this again. So you can get a good idea of what things are selling for and how they work. So here's a men's Levi jeans. You have more men's Levi jeans you can see. So let's say you're looking at all this and you're trying to get an idea, okay, well, what should I sell my jeans for? Well, that's really totally up to you. You gotta kind of see what you have, what color, what they look like, and so on. So here's a pair here. Okay, it's a 501 jeans, dark wash, right? 30/30, sold for $24.99 plus shipping. If you notice in most of these listings, one thing that's very common, okay? A lot of people charge shipping. Don't be afraid to charge shipping, please. You don't have to give away the farm. People sometimes expect to pay shipping, especially when you have some you're dealing with tight margins and you're trying to figure out, how to sell something. You don't always have to give it away. And you can see the difference here. So it's $39. They probably included shipping versus this one here is $24 plus $8. That's roughly the same. People expect that. I don't think it's a deterrent like the other companies, like we know who we're talking about, think it is. Not everything has to be free shipping. You can charge shipping, no question about it. Okay, so here we go. So the question is, what do I charge for my jeans? That's what we're here to learn, right? So okay, so let's go over here. So average sold price. If you click on the average sold price, it'll give you the highest to lowest. If you click on it again, it'll give you lowest to highest. So you get an idea. Okay, well, I have a pair of Levi jeans. So if you really want to get real detailed, so the really best way to do it is look under the categories. The advanced search. Okay, so now you can really find out what's going on here. So say you just want to get new only. Okay, so I have a brand new pair of jeans and I want to know what they're worth. So again, 7 days, same criteria, but now you can really, almost like with eBay, you can really refine what you're trying to look for. Again, hit the research button and you'll see. Now we're down to 10. Okay, so some of those were pushed out, probably they were used or pre-owned. Okay, so now you have 10 basically jeans that sold. Okay, so the example is, so now we're up to $24.33. Again, they're charging shipping, okay? The majority of these people are charging shipping, you can see that, okay? So this gives you an average. So the average price they're telling you to sell those jeans for is $24.33. But don't forget, you can charge shipping, okay? So if you charge $24.33 and charge $8, right? Because that's the average, seems to be $7.99, $8.40. $7.98. You got to realize $8.99. So flat rate envelope, this would go in most likely. It's shipping, I believe, is like $7.50, something like that. So you get an idea of that. So now you can really see what it's, what you're really getting down to the honing. What should I charge for these jeans? Let's look some more. Okay, we have auction. Okay, we have fixed price. So I always like to look at fixed price. Let's look new, fixed price. Levi's jeans, same exact criteria, because now you're really, okay, I'm taking out the auctions, right? I really want to see I don't really want to do auction. I don't want to play that game. I really want to just see what I can sell my jeans for. Again, research. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is telling me there's 10 people. This is straight buy it now. Okay, here we go. $28.24. Now it's even looking a little bit better. And don't forget, free shipping is not always included. You can add shipping to that. Okay. So let's click onto the highest price instead of the lowest price. And I'd like you to select in the middle and just see what's going on here. Here's a specific, okay, white oak is a little bit different. Those are a little bit more expensive, hard to find, $39. That includes free shipping, $24 plus $8. So you get an idea, okay? So $28. I would charge $28 from $27.99, and I would charge $8. So that's pretty much how I would do it. I would take out the lows. I was always throw out the lows, and if I don't have the exact jeans, I throw out the highs. Like in real estate, they always throw out the low number, they throw out the high. It's basically a comp. This is what you're doing. You're basically trying to figure out what I can charge, which is a comp, right? You don't want to be too high, you won't sell it. You want to be too low, you'll give it away, and those are comps. So it's like with real estate. Same idea, right? You look at Kelley Blue Book, you look at the conditions, you look at the cars, right? Highs and lows. You got to get an idea, what your car is worth. Well, we're trying to find out what these jeans are worth. So now we have a total of 10 sellers at $28, right? Here's the price. 40% of them do offer free shipping, but that's okay. You don't have to be one of those because they just charge more money anyway. So what happens is you just look a little bit more, a little bit more desirable for $27.99. And someone says, $7 shipping, $8 shipping, no big deal. So you paid maybe $5, $6 at a yard sale for the jeans. Maybe you got them, maybe you have them, maybe you own them. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But this tool will give you a really good idea instead of guessing and throwing everything. Oh, let me just sell them for $14. Oh, that's what I'm going to do. And this guy just sold them for $14 and $8. He lost money. He left money on the table. $15 left money on the table. Even $17. I don't care. Left money on the table. Now we're getting into it. $21, $22, $24. So you can see the sweet spot. So $24 really, in my opinion, is the middle of the road. That's the sweet spot. That's where you want to be. $24 plus shipping. So this is a little bit more advanced. I like this tool quite a bit. You should really use it, especially when you're not sure what to charge. Terapeak is a fantastic tool. You cannot go wrong with this tool. If you're looking for something really old, you can find things. I just found something today. It was an old set of candlesticks, and it had an M stamped on the back, and I couldn't figure out what the M was. So I just put it in Terapeak, looked it up, and I found out it was an old pair of Baldwin candlesticks. I found somebody who sold it for $100. I was going to put it on for $25. I said, gee, $25 is great, right? Then I found someone who has sold it for $100. Guess what? I put it on for $75 plus $25 shipping. There's my $100. Okay, so don't be afraid to charge. Don't be afraid of the tools. don't be afraid of using research. So this is a little bit more advanced. I want you to really get into the advanced features and really know how to use this so you won't make a mistake and give your stuff away. Don't give it away. We all work too hard. You know, we really just try to figure out the best way to make as much money. You don't want to overcharge, you don't want to undercharge. You just want to be right in the sweet spot and just carve your piece of what what you want to earn. But you have to know how to do it, and you have to have the right tools. And I think Terapeak fills that niche. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too long. I really wanted to get into more of the advanced features of this, and you can do this for anything. I don't care if it's jeans, I don't care if it's hubcaps for your car, I don't care if it's tools. All the principles still apply. New, used, whatever. Okay, so let's just do one more example on this. So used, let's get into a used. Take out the new. Again, still fixed price. I don't do the auction game. Let's research that and see what we get. Okay, so used. So now we have 12. Again, average price $16. Again, everybody charge shipping. Okay, we get 12 sales. Again, don't forget, this is only a 7-day look and only a specific size jeans. This is really narrowing it down, so you really get the idea, what to charge. So now you can look at it again. So you have the low to high, $10 to $25. So again, the middle of the sweet spot's what? 15, 16, 18? What does it say over here? $16, right? So depending on the condition, how they look and so forth, you can charge between 12 and 18 to 20, $22 plus shipping. Okay, so here's $18 plus $8. That's $25. $16 plus $9. Again, $25. $30. You can get that. So depending on the condition. So again, this person here gave it away. $10 plus $9, $13. You don't have to do that. You can charge a little bit more money if you know what to do, if you know how to look. So I hope this helped you. Please subscribe to my channel. It does help me out quite a bit. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it was helpful, share it with somebody else. It's important. There's a small community eBay. I've been on eBay since 1999. And I really love, working with an eBay and just, finding really cool things and just selling them. And it's really pretty exciting for me. So I always love it. But really the exciting part is doing the research, right? Like the finding stuff is difficult, but doing the research, that's where the excitement is for me. And then selling the product online, and it's like, you pay $5 or something, you sell it for $100. That's where the excitement comes in. And that's what drives the community. So if you have any questions or comments, leave below. Okay, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. And if you enjoy the content, please subscribe. Do appreciate that. I hope you learned something in this tutorial. I wanted to give a little bit more detail about the Terapeak and how it works with the advanced features. And you make it a great day and have a great eBay day.